Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 won't launch into the safe mode menu. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if this safe mode menu won't work, the first thing we want to go ahead and do is completely power cycle our PS5 by turning it around and then unplugging it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And then plug it back in. Now I would suggest doing this on your TV as well in case there's some sort of issue with that connection. So let's plug it back in. Also, we want to look at the HDMI cable. The PlayStation 5, you should be using an HDMI 2.1 cable. So try switching out your HDMI cable, see if that's the issue. And I think the most common reason why people can't launch their PS5 into safe mode is because they're using an HDMI capture card, splitter, or switcher. So this has a pass-through for my HDMI, so you can see my PlayStation 5 is coming into my capture card and then routing back out to my monitor. Now, when this happens, it'll actually mess with the safe mode menu. So what you want to do is directly connect your PlayStation 5 by unplugging it from here and directly connecting it to a monitor. And if you try to connect to safe mode with one of those capture cards, you may get a bunch of flickering on your screen. So let's switch my HDMI around to my monitor, directly connected, then turn my PlayStation 5 back around. So many people probably try to launch safe mode in rest mode and it simply won't work. So you can see my PlayStation 5 is turned on, indicated by the blue light right here. So when we get this light right here, we want to completely turn off our PS5. So let's hold down the power button now, and we will hear one beep initially, and then 3 seconds later we will hear another beep. So if the light here is orange, press the power button, turn on your PlayStation 5, and then wait about 10 to 15 seconds for it to fully power on. Then hold down the power button to completely turn it off. There's no light right here. Now we can hold down the power button, and about 5 to 10 seconds later we will hear another beep, and this will launch into the safe mode menu now instead of simply just turning on. Then connect your PlayStation 5 controller to the front USB, and then press the PlayStation button on the controller to operate the safe mode menu. And you have to have your controller connected, otherwise you won't be able to operate the safe mode menu. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.